I thought I was going further and I end up in the initial phase. Now I'm going back to the jungle. Look at this, how miraculous, how magical the nature is, how beautiful. Although sometimes I appear to be very brave and fearless, but to be honest, when I'm in the nature, I have this fear that, anytime I might get bitten by snake or by other, dangerous, poisonous animals. And my intention is to never harm any living being. I prefer to, I rather get killed, but not never kill, because that's my principle. I always respect all the living beings. Although sometimes we kill animals, kill the mosquitoes and all those stuff, but and ants, like when we walk, we don't really look at the ground. I mean, I often do, but still sometimes you just like, you cannot zoom them, and sometimes you just accidentally you kill them. But when you look at those ants with the microscope, you can see how complex creatures they are. Like, they really look like alien, and you just admire how they look. I mean, of course they look quite scary, but I think that they just look quite this is where I sit. They look quite alien like, and you just feel like as though they are from like other worlds, otherworldly beings. So you just want to respect them, because they are very complex. They look as complex as us. Humans are big, and we have like organs and eyes and all this complex body, but ants and other beings, they have also very complex mechanism. So we just gotta respect all the living beings. And look at this butterfly. You just gotta love nature.